What'll I do when you are far away and I am blue? What'll I do when I'm alone with only dreams of you that won't come true? What'll I do?
Oh, Reginald, you really raised your game this evening.
My dear Foxy, the pleasure was all mine.
Victor, you did Austria proud tonight.
Liebchen.
Oscar, that really was an Academy Award-winning performance. Tracy! Trollop.
You've had 3 blokes in here.
You cutting Dandle?
Everyone knows you need 4 to play bridge, Tracy.
That's what you're calling it now, is it? I've got an impressionable teenager living here.
Yeah, well, Travis is out. And when he is in, he spends most of the time on the internet, and I guarantee he's not watching Postman Pat.
Exactly. Travis isn't interested in a bunch of old codgers coughing and wheezing their way to ecstasy. What? I'm backing you up.
Why are you here anyway? Why aren't you at the theatre watching Jersey Boys and having a Chinese?
Because the tickets Sharon bought were moody.
How was I to know?
You bought them off a bloke called Moody Dave.
Well, you were the one that handed over the cash before checking that Jersey shouldn't have a Z in it. So I reckon you're the one that's let me down.
What? I'm the one that's out of pocket.
All right, I'll pay you back.
How? I've just had to top up your Oyster card because you're so skint.
I gave you 20 quid last week.
Have you bought from a lucky bet on the horses?
Not luck, Trace. Perseverance.
When are you going to bring in a proper wage?
Well, if you don't mind...
I haven't finished with you yet. How long do you plan on sitting around here on your jacksie?
Well, if you had a job, you wouldn't be able to watch me all day, would you?
What was that?
I didn't hear anything.
Oi! And who was he? The referee?
How dare you embarrass me like that? Bunny is a senior High Court judge.
No, he's not. He's a dirty old perv.
I think they have to be, Trace.
You're not having orgies in my house.
Oh, come on, Trace. She's just filling her boots before one of bits sees up.
You have no right to dictate to me how I live my life.
You are being very judgy, Trace.
While you're living in my house, I can be as judgy as I like. You two are as bad as each other. A sponger and a tart, who both think they can take me for a mug. Well, that's it. I've had enough. You can both pack your bags.
You're being ridiculous.
You think so? You aren't welcome here until you learn to act your age, and you can only stay here if you get another job and pay me back for those tickets.
Stop mucking about, Trace. You don't mean it. You wouldn't chuck us out. She definitely doesn't mean it. Give her a minute, she'll let us back in.
Oh, you know her so well. Why did you have to go and buy forged tickets, you moron?
You were the one that sent her over the top, shipping your boyfriends in by the busload.
I have done nothing wrong.
Oh, so you were just playing cards up there, yeah?
Yes. Most of the time.
Exactly. So this is down to you. So where are you going to book us into? The Ritz? The Savoy?
I'm an agony aunt for a cheap magazine, not Oprah Winfrey.
Travel Lodge it is, then.
Even that may be out of our reach. I've left my purse inside. Have you got yours?
Yes, but it's full of fresh air and dead flies. I've got an idea. I'll call Brendan.
Who's Brendan?
He's my ex-landlord from Edmonton. He's also a part-time benefits scrounger with connections to the criminal underworld.
Oh, fantastic. And how are we going to get to Edmonton? We've got no money. You actually lived here.
So many memories. And all of them crap.
What's that smell like burning plastic?
Oh, that'd be the crap den upstairs. Trust me, it's a godsend. Hides the stink of the drains. Don't turn your nose up. You're lucky that Laszlo, who normally keeps here, has gone back to Hungary for an holiday.
I can see why he'd need one.
For the working poor of London, this is luxury. In a couple of years, even these will be executive apartments for hipsters with silly beards. It's ethnic cleansing of the working class. That's what it is.
Well, any sort of cleansing in here would be welcome. Is there a bathroom?
No. It's all right. I'll steady it for you.
No, I can't. I must have porcelain.
I'm only joking, Dor. Bathroom's through there. Just don't put the extractor on. It blows instead of sucks. You'll end up with a lungful of whatever them in the crack den had for dinner last night.
Oh, my God. It couldn't be any worse.
Well, it used to be when we had cockroaches. But it's all right. They've gone now. The rats ate them.
You had rats?
No, I borrowed a Jack Russell from the nice prostitute next door. That saw him off. Isn't nature wonderful, Dor? It's like a little ecosystem in perfect balance.
This place is intolerable, Sharon. You can't make me stay here.
Yeah, it can get a bit hairy out there. You wait till Saturday.
It is just one night, isn't it? I mean, Travis will make Tracy see how unfair she's being. He and I do have that special bond.
What, I can have her room? What, are you on the suite?
Well, she's not going to be using it, is she?
Yes!
And now I haven't got to pick up after those two. I can be there just for you. Do you want me to make you a nice hot chocolate?
Why not, eh? I think I'll have a long soak in my bath, then slide into my king-size bed. Could you bring my hot chocolate up, Mum?
Of course. Hold on. I better change those sheets first.
There really should be a lock on that door.
Took it with me when I left. Along with the light bulbs, curtain rings, bullcock. Well, it's what you do, isn't it? Besides, flat this size, ain't like you don't know when someone's in the bog.
So why have you come in here?
I need to go. But are you going to be long?
Can't hurry, good skincare.
You want to get them world of quid wet wipes. One swipe and you're done. It's also really good for getting limescale off a kettle.
Probably play havoc with my epidermis.
Oh, no, I'd never use them down there.
Oh, Sharon!
It's not my fault. I said I wanted to go.
That is disgusting.
Get out! Get out!
Sharon!
Who the bloody hell are you?
Who are the bloody hell you?
This is my flat, temporarily.
I'm Carla, sister of Laszlo. He let me sleep here while he's on holidays.
Yes, well, I'm sorry, but we have a binding agreement with the landlord. So whatever loose arrangement you have made with your brother has been superseded.
Sure ain't going to understand that.
Yeah, well, in Hungary, she's probably a professor of English.
Of course. And doctor of philosophy and award-winning architect. But I prefer come here, scrub floors, clean crappy toilets for £1 less than minimum wage. Stupid!
The point is, we have a right to be here.
Okay. You can size.
No. We are in charge. We get to say if you can stay.
What is answer?
Would you like an alarm call in the morning? Morning, Dor. That Carla ain't getting back in here in a hurry.
Where is she?
She left early for a cleaning job. So I borrowed a fiver off that nice prostitute and nipped out and got us a big bowl.
Excellent.
I don't suppose you've had a text from Tracy begging us to come back?
No.
No, me neither. There's a cold, heartless side to her. Now, when we were kids, she locked me out of our Wendy house. It was pouring a rain. I was absolutely soaked. The dye ran out of my navy blue knickers all down my legs. My mum thought I had varicose veins.
Well, I sincerely hope you're not weakening. Last night was a triumph.
Really?
I slept on the floor of a 21st century slum. I had a coat for a duvet, a stale loaf of bread for a pillow, and the Hungarian women's snoring champion as a roommate. But I survived. I took the worst this place could throw at me. Is my spirit broken? No, it is not. But if I go grovelling now to Tracy, then all my suffering will have been in vain. We have to show Tracy that we are strong, that we will not be dictated to. Are you with me, Sharon?
I'll can flush that again in a minute. You were saying, Dot?
I said, are you with me?
All the way. Where are we going?
Those two want to live under my roof. They've got to abide by my rules. It's my way or the highway. They're not taking me for a mug anymore.
Mum, you're talking to yourself again.
Was I?
Look, I think you miss Dora and Auntie Show more than you're letting on.
Rubbish. I like not having them under my feet. Gives me more time to spend with my baby.
But I'm not a baby, Mum. I'm 18.
Oh, I know. You're growing up so fast.
Look, I'm already grown up. I'm a man. Look, I can vote, can drink lager in a pub, can join the army, can even have sex if I want to. No, I haven't. You need a girlfriend for that, but I could.
Well, you're still not too old to spend time with your mum. Let's go out later.
I'm already going out with my mates.
We can see them any time. Let's go to the pictures.
No. People might think we're on a date.
Just tell them you're out with your mum.
Yeah, that'll make it better.
Well, don't be so silly. We can go for a burger. It'll be nice. I'll get you a milkshake. Who needs them too when I've got my Trevids? Cause me nothing but trouble.
Mum,
when
you're
I'm with
talking to yourself again.
Oh.
Dear, tired of Solihull. Where are you going?
Oh, I just thought I'd pop out, get one of those smelly candles, you know. Cover up some of the more exotic ponds wafting through the estate. Also, it means I can get out from under your feet, you know. Let you get on with your work.
Oh, thank you. That's very thoughtful.
Well, all for one and one for all, sister.
So, dear, tired of Solihull. It is time to be selfish and treat yourself to a damn good pampering as I write to you from my palatial villa in the south of France, sipping on my martini. I am completely at ease. Not even the sound of distant thunder can upset my equilibrium. I just concentrate on the sound of the classical quartet playing a selection of Brahms in the town square, and I remain perfectly calm. Travis? Not trying to creep out of that, me, was you?
No. So I heard someone at the door. Right, Shal. I'll let you two talk.
All right, Trace?
What do you want?
You're looking well.
What do you want?
Have you missed me?
House is quieter and tidier. I can open a packet of biscuits and know there'll be some left when I go back an hour later. And you know that funny smell I can never put my finger on? It's gone.
I bought you this.
Do you think I'm going to let you back in here because you buy me some cheap scented candle from World of Quid?
It's mango and wild cranberry.
Could have done with that when you lived here. Is that it?
Dorian says that you've got a cold, heartless streak. But I'll put her straight. I said, oh, it's my
Have you
sister.
got another job yet?
No. But I've got a dead cert in the 3:30 at Kempton.
Did you not listen to what I said? Bring in a regular wage or you can find someone else to ponce off.
This will not break me. I am Foxy. I will survive. Yes. Foxy is strong. Foxy is a winner. Foxy is a loser. Sharon?
Those drums are the only thing you can bang now. You've got no idea how to satisfy me.
That's because I'd rather sleep with your sister. Is that so enough?
Excuse me. I am Foxy Cohen, agony aunt. You may have seen my programme. Marital problems are my speciality. Maybe I can help.
What? Who's that? Must be one of them lesbians squatting in Laszlo's flat.
This is a private argument.
Private? The whole block can hear you.
Step up, cow.
I'll shut up.
Aren't you getting ready? You're going to be late for the pictures.
I just had Auntie Shal on the phone.
Oh, yeah? What's she want?
I don't want to make things worse, Mum. She offered me money to persuade you to let her come on.
Conniving care. What money? She hasn't got any money.
Her horse came in. She rang me from the bookies. I know. It's like sticking two fingers up at you.
Right. I'm going to have her. is how you're going to spend your days now, is it? In here with all the other mug punters.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do.
Well, you're not living in my house unless you get a job.
You may have mentioned that once or twice before.
Don't you walk away while I'm having a go at you. Where are you going? Look, you can't go in there, you'll get arrested. What are you doing? You've got a job here, haven't you?
Yeah. Me and Travis were just having a little joke with you.
Oh, were you? You think it's funny winding people up, don't you?
Well, no, not at all.
Well, I do. You should have seen your face.
Oh, I see what you've done then, Trace. A good one. Can I come home now?
No.
Oh, you're still winding me up, right? Trace? Trace?
Oh, about time, Sharon. Where did you go to get that candle, Aberdeen? You're lucky I remembered to take the bolt off. Oh, careful. Oh, for goodness sake, Sharon. Got a back like a mountain gorilla. You can even feel the hairs through your vest. You wear a vest? When did you start wearing a vest? Oh. Who are you?
I am Laszlo. And you are not my sister.
Who is it? Oh, look, ignore it, Trace. It's probably just some nutter.
Tracy, let me in, please. I've just had a dreadful fright.
Yeah, you and me both.
I've just been in bed with a very large, hairy Hungarian.
Well, don't come round here bragging about it. I ain't interested.
I'm not bragging, I'm traumatised.
I don't care. You know what the deal was.
I won't have another man in my bed again, I promise.
What do you reckon? Should we let her back in?
Sharon, is that you in there, you Judas? You double-crossing turncoat?
Why is she saying that?
You know what she's like. Right troublemaker. But I say we go back to bed.
Sharon!
I'll bring up a nice cup of tea.
Does Tracy know you accused her of being cold and heartless?
You told me she said that.
Come on, Trace. I mean, who are you going to believe, eh? Her? Or your own flesh and blood? Tracy!
Next year, I hope Johnny's thick-skinned, the town